Here are some Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks for beginners. How to lock and unlock guides. Also show and hide of guides. Ctrl+R. Click the ruler, then hold and drag. Right-click, then you can see the guide options. You can lock, unlock, show or hide the guides. Next is how to make circle text. Type L to make circle. Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+B so the duplicate stays on the same location. Resize the circle. Select it Path tool, then click on the second circle. Choose the font you want. You can also rotate it. Next is how to make color swatch. Type M to create box. Let's copy object. Change color you want in every box. You cannot place the color on swatches if you drag only the object. C. Instead, hold Control key, then drag to swatch panel. That's it. Easy DBA. Next is how to make gradient color. Select object, then change color. Change color from light to dark. Select one object, then go to Gradient panel. Click this part to add another color. You have 3 colors to apply. Double-click the first point. Click Sky Dropper tool. Do that again in second point. Change the angle you want. Make box again, and it's already had a gradient color. Select all object. Type I for eyedropper tool, then click on gradient box. Change angle. Is this helpful? Subscribe if it does. Next is how to print actual size. Ctrl+P to print. Select your printer above. Note, this second step is for CC user only. Select paper size. A for size is the most common size we use. Click Auto Rotate. Here is the result. Also same on the PC because it's actual. It's accurate. Next one is how to save Illustrator file to PDF. Go to File, then Save As. Go to Save As type, then select PDF. Let's check if it's work. Is this helpful? Subscribe if yes. Next, how to set multiple page or artboards. Control-N for new. On the right corner, select numbers of pages you want. Very easy. Next, how to use trim or cut tool. Type C to cut. Click area you want to cut. Here you can see the line cuts. Cut another line. This cut purpose is to separate objects or lines. Next, how to use Warp Tool. Control plus Shift plus Alt plus W is the shortcut of Warp Tool. Adjust the arc. Choose Warping option. Adjust all the settings until satisfied. Is this helpful? If yes, subscribe. Next, how to lock and unlock object. Control 2 to lock object. You cannot select object because it's locked. Control plus Alt plus 2 to unlock. This last tutorial is a preferences settings that you will need when using Illustrator. Hope this helps you a lot. Thank you for watching.